What's up, everyone? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Appreciate you guys joining me in this video. I want to talk about adoption. Okay, what is it going to take to get to worldwide adoption? It's important to note that right now, as we sit here, only about 300 million of the world's 7 billion people are currently regular crypto users. So we're talking about 4%. Not a very large number in the grand scheme of things, right? So what is it going to take to get to, 25%, 50%, 100% of the world using crypto? Well, there's this balancing act that we're starting to see between usability and accessibility. And I want to get into this just a little bit. So usability is talking about how easy it is to use a particular project or service. Basically, how easy it is to onboard, off ramp, use, the contract itself, stuff like that, right? Now, accessibility is how easily you can access this, whether it be, by region, by equipment, stuff like that, right? That's another, problem that is in the space because crypto, for the most part, can be somewhat complex. Well, I have some great news for you. You may have heard of something that launched called ClearCryptos. Well, ClearCryptos is a great bridge between the two. Whether you're looking at, being able to connect multiple different wallets to the swap or the analytics platform itself, there's all these tools that are available that makes crypto usable and makes it accessible. Okay, this is something that is really needed in the space. That's why ClearCryptos is such a great thing. That's why I got on board with ClearCryptos. That's why, I continue to make content for the ClearCryptos channel. It's important that people know that there are easier ways to get involved with crypto because crypto in the past, especially when I first got into crypto, was super complicated. Okay, I did not know what I was doing. And for the most part, that's still the case across most of the space. But with the things that ClearCryptos is doing, making it accessible, making it usable, it's going to make adoption work that much better, right? Another problem that we see in the space is trust, okay? If you look at the ClearCryptos logo, you can see no trust act. Trust is actually in the slogan there, okay? It's hard because there's a lot of projects nowadays that you can't necessarily put your trust in because you don't know who the people are, what it's backed by, what they're even doing with the project, right? ClearCryptos is about transparency. It's about making you being able to trust what you're doing with your money, to trust what you or how you're operating in the space, right? That's what ClearCryptos is trying to do. It's trying to make things easier. It's trying to help adoption. And with the things that ClearCryptos is doing, the partnerships that are, apparently coming into place that we're seeing from the announcements on Twitter and Discord, stuff like that, it's limitless what the possibilities could be. That's why I believe in ClearCryptos, and that is why ClearCryptos is going to help with adoption. So as always, I appreciate you guys joining in and watching the video. If you haven't already, do show your support for the channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. You can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.